FMW friends! So I'm back at today because I am off to my mom and dad. So medyo sinisingit ko na siya ngayon. So looking forward for another FMS Elite treatment. Plus may dinagdag ako to fasten up. Hey, my sister-in-law will be engaged this weekend. So, well, not really that. But I just want to really trim off those excess pounds that I've been lugging ever since I gave birth. So, hindi siya natanggal. But just so you know, not feeling well kasi I woke up with a bad stiff neck here. And then, suddenly I'm sneezing on my way here. As in, non-stop sneezing. Parang may allergies or something. So, I hope this is a great relaxation for me as well. So, I'm currently strapped here and doing a treatment called Physique. Physique is a treatment wherein it will give you like 225 sit-ups just by laying down. So currently, all the pads that are attached to me are vibrating. It's not painful. I can manage. You can tell the consultant or the therapist if it pains you, but so far, hindi naman. Kaya ko yung vibration. It's like a massage on my arms, tummy, and buttocks. Reporting live cold here at the North Pole. So finally have the FMS Elite. And last week I've had it just on my tummy, and this time kasama na ang legs ko. It was explained by the doctors here that it is much better to do the overall body. So why is FMS Elite effective in losing weight or losing inches is because of the extreme cold temperature. Yung tendency ng body nyo is it will burn out more calories to keep your body warm. So, I'm reporting to you guys na meron pala silang promo. That's why kahit na Thursday, super packed yung center. So, for 3,000 pesos, you get 5 sessions of FMS Elite. So, pwede nyo itry. Before, I remembered it's super expensive. So, done with the treatment, I feel numb here because the wrap is here, the FMS Elite, which is a cold wrap. And also, they wrap my legs up until here. So, super lamig dito right now. So, bawal mag-hot drinks. Mukha akong bruha, guys. But as much as I would love to request for their latte, which is my favorite, bawal pala mag-hot drinks after the cold wrap treatment. So, cheers on orange water.